Good evening. This is just a quick summary on how to open up the Journal of Cases in Educational Leadership that is found on the WSU library system. So the first thing you will need to do is go to your WSU link. Mine is WSU Vancouver. Click on Library, and then once you're there, click on Search. You need to know that you're logged in, and it's important to be logged into your WSU account. That will make sure you can access the information. So you want to search for the Journal of Cases in Educational Leadership. Once that comes up, you'll need to click on this link, and it opens a new window. In the new window, you can log into Sage Complete. When you click on that, it again opens up a new window, and you now have access to the Journal of Cases in Educational Leadership. You can use the search bar to search by topic. You can also scroll through and look at the issues. There tend to be 4 issues a year, and each issue has 10 to 12 cases. So it's just a good way to scroll through and see if there's a case that really interests you and something you want to study a little further. And as you do that, once you click on the case, it opens up the actual case. You can download and have the PDF downloaded to your computer so you can read it at your leisure. I hope this was helpful, and everyone should be able to access this using their WSU email and your WSU login account. Thank you.